What is up, everyone? It's your boy AB back with another DIY Wednesday video here on Your Auto Enthusiast. All right, look, I'll be narrating you through a short, quick guide to removing and registering your battery, as well as a little bit of a bonus. You'll be able to code it as well if you did not go with the same battery capacity or type. But wait, before you skip ahead, as a quick warning, I highly suggest that you check your voltage, check your charge level first. Just do this so you're not throwing money at your car blindly. It could just be as simple as an accessory like your charge cord for your mobile device, or maybe it's just low on charge and needs to be recharged. Now, this can be done simply by using a multimeter, or if you have BeamerLink. Now look, all you need is some simple hand tools. You need your ratchet, you need a 10 mil and a 13 mil socket. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool unless you want to tear it up using a metal screwdriver. And you'll want to have a jump pad, something to give your car a constant voltage while you are coding and registering your battery. Now look, you know what? I'm not going to bore you with a lot of words while the video is playing, so just watch as everything goes through. Alright guys, so if you are in this section, you're needing to code your battery because you went with a different capacity. Probably not type because they're all AGMs for these cars, these modern BMWs. So with that said, if you haven't already, download Beamer Code and get your access. You will have to pay whatever it is for the access. It is a one-time fee. You don't have to pay it again. Whatever you're using to connect to your OBD2 port, whether that's a VPEAK module that I'm using, or maybe you have an Ethernet cable. Either way, you will need to have access into the OBD2 port. If you're needing that before you get started on this, there are links in the description. It's an Amazon affiliate link that helps out the channel. You can get your VPEAK module there. If you use the code OBDCheck, there's 10% off at checkout. We're going to get Beamer Code started. Get connected to your vehicle. Once you get into your vehicle, you're going right into the computer access system. Once it gets into computer access system, you're going directly into expert mode. Okay, so just putting a little asterisk by this, in my car, the F10 535, I had to go into expert mode. It was not located on the main page in car access system. So more than likely you will have to go to expert mode. Of course, there's the warning, acknowledge the warning and hit continue. Upon scrolling all the way down to the bottom, you will see code 3702, and your first selection you'll see after that is VCM_battery_class. That's where you're going to go in, click that, determine which class you have. Now, once you have made your selection, back on up to the car access system main screen again, and you will see in the top right corner code. That's where you're going to hit code. Hit code is going to do its system checks and do all the things that it's going to do to code the battery. And then from here, you can now go ahead and register the battery. And again, if you have already registered, you're going to be fine, because once you go into BeamerLink, you'll see that it is recognizing what your battery is coded in as. All right, now welcome to the last step. Right here in BeamerLink is just a couple of taps or clicks to get into to get your battery registered. Now, once again, depending on what you're using, I am using VPEAK module. The link is in the description. You can go right there and get one of those at Amazon if you need to get that before doing this procedure. It is an affiliate link, and of course that helps the channel out, or helps the channel bring you this type of content. If this is your first time, it is a paid app, one-time fee, and then you don't have to pay for it after that. And of course, it does have lifetime update. Once it's connected to your car, you will see on the top right corner the battery symbol, that's where you're going to click and go right into the battery. Once you get into the battery, it's going to tell you what was previously registered. If in fact you do have the same battery or the same capacity and type battery that you had before, all you've got to do is register. If you're at this step and you do have a different, you will want to go and code your battery. So you can register here and still go and code it, but it doesn't matter. You can code it first or you can register first, but either way you will need to go and get into use the previous step and go into Beamer code. Go ahead and hit register new battery. It's only going to take a few seconds to do it, and voila, you have registered your battery. You can go ahead and back all the way out and disconnect from the app, and of course remove your cable or dongle. That is it. You're done. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope this helped. If it did, go ahead and smash the like button. If you have not subscribed to the channel just yet, please take a moment to do so. Hit the notification bell so you'll see all upcoming DIY videos like this in the future. Once again, thank you for tuning in. You guys have a great day. Enjoy turning a wrench on your BMW and keep driving. Salute.